4 start of pick 40 band. Cover swings is 4 all the way up. Race number 7. Good luck on your pick 4 choices. Only one entry. Dominatore. Still waiting for Dominatore with apprentice Noel C. Lunar. Set to go. Good luck on your pick 4 choices. The 1200-meter race is underway. Pabulong as expected, draws for your lead. Go Marigo, moving up down on the inside, then followed by Love Affair, Dominatore, then comes Constantinople, and trailing them is Stork as they race towards the half-mile pole. Go Marigo, the leader by about a length and a half. Pabulong in second, Love Affair still in third, then comes Dominatore, Stork, and Constantinople as they race towards the 450. Go Marigo still leading the field, moving up on the outside. Pabulong and Love Affair trying to get closer in third, then comes Dominatore as they race for home. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Pabulong moving up on the outside. Go Marigo is by the rail, but it's Pabulong. Go Marigo down on the inside. Go Marigo, Pabulong on the outside, then moving up Dominatore. Constantinople, a long shot, winning the race for Mr. John Erickson Avellino. Second, Dominatore, then comes Pabulong, Stork, Go Marigo, and Love Affair.